Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you a simple animation using HTML. To do this, I have downloaded two PNG images and one JPG image. So this is for the background, and these two PNG images will be used for animation. Okay, and this is the HTML file. So let me just add the background image here. So to add this background image, we have an attribute called background, and here we will use the image. And if I go to the folder, you can see my image name is back, and if I go to the properties here, then you can see the extension is .jpg. So let's write here back.jpg, and if I open it on a browser, then you can see the result. Right click on it and click on open in browser. So here you can see this is the image, and this is repeating, right? We need to stop it, right? So to do this, let me just do some CSS for it, and under the head section, under the title, we will write style tag. Style tag, and inside this style tag we will say that body. So here we have to write background repeat, and we'll say no repeat. Now let's go to the browser and refresh it. See, there is no repetition, right? But as you can see, the image is not in full width, right? So we have to give the size, background size, here, and then we will say width 100% and height 100%. If I go to the browser and refresh it, then you can see what. Okay, now we have to write here one more thing. There is background attachment, and this will be fixed. Now refresh it, and it works perfectly, right? Now we will show the animation. So this is the main part of this video, right? So at first we want to add the both PNG images, right? So let's go and add image here, and we have to add two images. So let's just write here and go to the folder. So the file name of the file is an, and properties is PNG, and both are PNG images, right? So we have to just write here an1.png and here an2.png. Now let's go to the browser and see how it's look like. So here you can see the two PNG file over here, right? And now we will animate this to PNG file. So to animate something in HTML, we have a tag called marquee. So let's write marquee, and we have ending tag like this. Marquee tag has some attribute. So we can set width and height, and the main part is direction. So now let's give the direction, and we want, okay, so as I mentioned that I want this image from left to right. So let's type here left, and let's just cut it from here, and we have to create another marquee tag, and inside this marquee tag we will use this image, and this image we want to scroll it from right to left, right? So let's give it the direction. So direction is equal to left, okay, sorry, right. Now let's go to the browser and refresh it. As you can see, we have this two PNG images, and this Mario is going from left to right, and this chicken is going from right to left. But as I can see, okay, so direction actually, if I write here left, then it will go to the left, right? And if I write here right, then it will go to the right. So you have to mention the direction, and the direction is where it will go. So as I mentioned that our second image, I mean this Mario will go to the right from left to right, right? So it is so the direction for the Mario is to right, so it will go to the right. As you can see, it is going to right and the chicken is going to left. Okay, so this is how you can do simple animation using HTML. So you just have to use a tag called marquee. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.